road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are showcasing a coach that is the ultimate solution for large families who don't want to leave anyone behind. This is the 2019 Forest River Legacy 38C Bunkhouse. If you have been searching for a diesel pusher that can actually handle a crowd without feeling like a crowded bus, you are looking at a very rare find. This coach features only 49,000 miles and comes in the highly sought-after 38C floor plan. What makes this unit so unique is that it doesn't just sleep 10 people. It provides the plumbing and the space to support them with 2 full bathrooms. Take a look at the exterior. We are looking at the Silver Blade graphics package, which is a full body paint finish. Forest River did a fantastic job with these silver, gray, and black tones. It gives the coach a sleek, modern look that won't show age like a unit with vinyl stickers. This 39-foot coach sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, giving you the peace of mind that comes with a professional-grade foundation. As we walk along the passenger side, notice the 2 enormous slide-outs. This isn't your standard layout. These slides create a massive amount of interior square footage that we'll see in just a moment. For your outdoor enjoyment, we have a large power patio awning that creates a huge, shaded area for your campsite, plus slide toppers over both slides to keep your mechanical seals protected from the elements. You also have an exterior entertainment center right here with a 32-inch TV, so you can enjoy the big game or a movie while you're relaxing outside. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the overall condition of the front and rear fiberglass caps. Every detail on this Legacy, from the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, shows that this was designed for the serious traveler who wants Class A luxury with class-leading sleeping capacity. We are going to finish up our walk around the rear to check out the ladder and the hitch setup before we dive into the heavy-duty mechanical systems that make this Legacy such a reliable performer on the road. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical systems on this Legacy are built for reliability and long-distance travel. You are riding on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Unlike a gas-powered RV, this diesel pusher features full air brakes and a full air ride suspension. This means you aren't going to feel every pothole in the road, and you'll have the confident stopping power you need when you're fully loaded with a family of 10 and all their gear. Powering your journey is the 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine. It produces 300 horsepower and a stout 700 foot-pounds of torque. It's paired with the Allison 2500 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a powertrain that is built for the long haul. It's efficient, powerful, and easy to maintain. Moving to the storage bays, we have massive pass-through basement compartments. When you're traveling with 10 people, storage space is your best friend. You have plenty of room here for all the chairs, grills, and gear that a large family requires. For your off-grid power needs, we've got an Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. A really smart feature here is that the generator is mounted on its own slide-out tray at the front, which makes maintenance and servicing much simpler. This unit draws fuel right from your main diesel tank, so you can run your dual-roof ACs and all your appliances, even when you're parked far away from a hookup. One high-end system I have to highlight is the Truma tankless continuous hot water heater. This is a game changer for a bunkhouse model. With 10 people on board, you never have to worry about the last person getting a cold shower. This system provides hot water on demand as long as you have a water source. You also have a 50-amp service with an included extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, and dedicated battery disconnects to manage your power efficiently. Setup at the campground is effortless, thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Just hit the touchpad and the coach levels itself out perfectly. To keep you safe on the highway, The integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors gives you a clear look at your surroundings at all times. This Legacy is engineered to take the stress out of the setup and the drive, so you can focus on making memories. Let's head inside and see how this space translates to the interior. Step up into the Legacy, and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open floor plan that feels like a residential home. The interior is bright and welcoming, with high-quality flooring and cabinetry that reflects that 49,000-mile care. The front entrance is spacious enough that you aren't tripping over each other as you come and go. You'll notice the comfortable captain's chairs for the driver and passenger, which swivel around to become part of the living area when you're parked. It's a very grand entrance that immediately shows off the sheer amount of space provided by those two huge slide-outs. Right here in the heart of the coach is your full kitchen. You have a full stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a microwave convection oven, and a gas stovetop for home-cooked meals. The residential sink and faucet make cleanup easy, and you've got a surprising amount of cabinet space to store snacks and groceries for the whole crew. It's a very clean, functional galley designed for high-capacity travel. Let's talk about that sleeping capacity. Look up above the cockpit. We have a power drop-down bunk bed. This is a fantastic feature that stays completely out of the way while you're driving. But when you're ready for bed, it lowers down with the touch of a button. It's a comfortable, dedicated sleeping spot for two, and it's always a favorite for the kids. Having this extra bunk in the front allows you to maximize every square inch of this 39-foot coach. The main living room is designed for gathering. We have a large plush pull-out sleeper sofa and a convertible booth dinette. This area is perfectly positioned to enjoy the 40-inch TV. Whether you're sitting down for a family dinner or winding down for a movie after a day of adventure, there is plenty of room for everyone to sit and relax. The large windows throughout this area let in a ton of natural light, making the lounge feel even more spacious and airy. Moving toward the rear, we find the bunkhouse part of the 38C. We have two dedicated bunk beds, and look at the setup. Each bunk has its own individual TV and privacy curtains. This gives the kids their own personal space to watch a show or play a game, which is a lifesaver on those longer, rainy days at the campsite. Now this is where the Legacy really stands out. This middle bathroom is a full bathroom. It features a large shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight for extra headroom. You've got a vanity, a sink, a toilet, and a power vent fan. Having this full bath in the middle of the coach means the kids in the bunks and the guests in the front have their own dedicated facilities without ever having to walk through the master bedroom. It's a layout that provides incredible privacy and utility for large groups. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed, its own 32-inch TV, and an abundance of wardrobe closets and drawer storage. Because this room is separated by a door, you can enjoy a quiet night's rest even if the rest of the coach is still active. It's a well-designed, quiet space that ensures you are refreshed and ready for the next day's drive. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we have a second full bathroom at the very back. This is a full-width rear bathroom with another large shower enclosure, glass doors, and a skylight. You have your own private vanity, sink, and toilet back here. But look at this. This is also where you'll find the stackable washer and dryer. Unlike the combo units, having separate machines allows you to do laundry efficiently while you're out enjoying your vacation. Having two full bathrooms in a 39-foot diesel pusher is a game changer for family travel and ensures that everyone has the space they need. As we head back outside to wrap things up, it's easy to see why this 2019 Forest River Legacy 38C is such a standout choice. To recap, you are looking at a bunkhouse diesel pusher with only 49,000 miles. You're getting the reliability of the Cummins ISB engine on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air ride and air brakes. With two full bathrooms, sleeping for 10, the Truma tankless water heater, and that beautiful silver blade full body paint, this coach is ready for your next big family adventure. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!